Hey guys, so in my last video I talked about all the gluten-free products that our family has transitioned to since becoming gluten-free, and today I just wanted to give you an update on two more items that we found as special treats for us gluten-free people. So we've got our Heavenly Hunks, which is like a coconut oatmeal bar. They're actually just in squares like that, and they're a nice little treat for like a quick pick-me-up or a dessert, and they're really quite delicious but small, so you're not overindulging. This we purchased at Costco, and we really like these. I'm gonna see if I can try to make them on my own because the ingredients seem really simple. So it's gluten-free oats, dark chocolate chips, sugar, palm oil, coconut shreds, sorghum flour, tapioca flour, potato starch, and sea salt. So nothing crazy in terms of ingredients, and something that I think would be easy enough to prepare even as a no-bake option. So if you're interested, hit that subscribe button, and when I post the video of me attempting to replicate this nice little treat, you'll be notified of it. So this is our favorite of the two. The second one that we found is also gluten-free. And this is peanut-free. This one's actually vegan as well. So this one's peanut-free and gluten-free. And we happened upon it by accident. This was on sale at Costco, and we just wanted to give it a try. So when we picked it up, we found out that it was gluten-free, and we were a little bit excited about that. They do come in these little round balls. It's an interesting texture. It's like sort of a hard bite of cake in the middle with wrapped in like 3 layers of chocolate, if you can see really closely. It's an interesting snack. They come in little balls. So for 8 balls, it's 200 calories and 26 carbs. So if you had just 4 balls, then you'd be looking at a 100-calorie snack and just 13 grams of carbohydrates. So it is a nice little option if you want another little pick-me-up without a lot of calories or carbohydrates. This one's a little bit more complicated. This is not a recipe I think I could duplicate, but it's got all the ingredients listed there if you wanted to pause the video and take a look through those. So of the two, we enjoy this one the most, just putting it in lunches or having it as a dessert. I love the coconut flakes in it. That gives it a really nice texture, and it's just the right amount of sweetness and delicious. This one, it would be okay if you had a Christmas party or something like that coming up and you wanted to put some delicious treats in a bowl just to sit out. This would be a perfect option because they're not sort of dependent on temperature, and they're sort of shelf stable. So this would be a great option to put out for gluten-free people on a dessert table, or in on a table just as people arrive. So those are our 2 gluten-free finds from Costco. This one was on sale for $6.99 here in Canada, and this one was on sale for $6.99 at the time, but it has now gone up to $9.99. So and you get about the same amount of grams. You get 20 cookies here, but it's 567 grams, and this is 550 grams. I don't know how many balls you get, but they're pretty equal in terms of package sizing and what you get for your money. So if you're in a Costco, grab one or both of these. I highly recommend this one. It really is ridiculously amazing. And give them a try. Thanks for watching, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.